Now look at this presentation, guys. I can't wait to dig in the curry shrimp and the coconut salt. Look and taste amazing, guys. My shredded vegetable, to go ahead and make this off camera because everybody just make no shredded vegetable, right? And look at the rice. It turned out so shelly and nice. So I'm going to do a taste test for you guys. Start off with the rice. Hi guys, welcome back to the Grams family. You know, it's your girl Shanique and I'm here with another video, guys. You're looking so cute, right? You talk to me nice. Go show your girl some love on Instagram. I just took my Valentine's Day picture. And the reason why I took them so early too is that my husband has surgery on Wednesday, Valentine's Day, unfortunately. But it's not life threatening, but it's still serious, but not that serious, to be honest. It's just like abscess on his bottom area, but I can't remember the name of the surgery, to be honest. But I'm not going to talk about it right now. I'm not going to, maybe in our next video, but I'm not going to talk about it right now. I'm not going to, yeah. So guys, I'll be cooking some shrimp in coconut, some curry shrimp in coconut sauce for you guys with some jasmine white rice and some raw vegetable on the side. And I love my raw vegetable, guys, with tomato and sweet pepper and maybe a little piece of purple onion. Mixed with some, then I mix some vinegar and sugar on the side and just pour it on it. Like, I love it like that. So guys, oh my god, I can't get over how cute I look. Oh my god, guys, you're going to love those pictures. It looks so cute, sexy. My husband didn't like the outfit, as I said before. So it was hell to get him to take, and then again, he wasn't feeling too good, so after begging to get some pictures, because as I said before, this wasn't the plan. Like, this was not the plan. We had planned for Valentine's Day, and this wasn't the plan. But yeah, the way you gotta do, right? But give God thanks. Yeah. Okay guys, so I'm in the kitchen, guys. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna prepare first. Yeah. So let me turn the camera. This is my shrimp here. It's already cooked, peeled and deveined. All they have on the tail. As you can see, guys. It's gonna be so good. Have my vinegar right here and seasoning, fresh seasoning. Yeah. Okay, and this tomato is for my shredded vegetable, and then we have some cabbage and carrots. Some cabbage and carrot, and then I have my jasmine rice, butter, coconut milk. So yeah. So first thing I'm going to start off with, guys, is the rice. Yeah, I'm going to start the rice first. I was thinking if I should make some green seasoning. This is like my skillet and thyme, but it have a lot of other stuff inside of it. So I was contemplating if I should make some green seasoning, guys. Yeah, I think I'm going to make some green seasoning, but I'm going to put on the rice. I'm going to wash the rice now and put on the rice because that's, this dish is very easy. It's not a long time either. This can finish in like 15-20 minutes, depends on how fast are you going. But if I'll be vlogging the process, it's going to take a lot more time, to be honest. And then I'm going to get my paprika, my onion and garlic powder, and black pepper also. And as you can see, I have the Maggi all-purpose in the package and the Maggi seasoned fish, season up fish. And we have the curry powder. Honestly, guys, I just use it because I don't have a choice, but I miss my Jamaican curry. I already washed the vegetables, guys, and cleaned the counter. Don't mind the mess here, so guys. Clean it just now. Already wash. I'm gonna wash it one more time. Hi guys, so it's after 6 and your girl's still cooking. What happened? I paused and was here watching a movie. So that's what happened when night come catch me, because when I pick you up guys, it was like, well, after 2. Yeah, no, after 6. Well, I think 6:30 going 7. Yeah. So I already told you the rice is on. Rice soup finish. I'm gonna put on the oil for hot, so I'm gonna put the curry night for burn. Put the curry to burn in the oil. Put the curry to burn in the oil. Bury me in the light, guys. Yeah. Made a little mess. It's okay. It's okay. I think it burns for the curry burns together. I don't know if it burns too much though. I have my season here. The shrimp here marinating. Ooh. Guys, can you believe it? This big bag of shrimp I'm gonna have in this little bit. I can't believe the right thing we put up some of that guy. This is all the shrimp that was in the big bag. Huh? But food smells so good, guys. I wish you guys could smell it. This smells so good. So I'm going to put in my onions first. Or just put in everything one time. Yeah, I'm putting everything one time because I hold in the camera. Ben not feel too good saying go back and lie down. He was helping me earlier with the camera, so yeah. Let me see everything. Woo. Smells so good, guys. Cover this, make it simmer for about 2 minutes, guys. Then I'm going to add the shrimp. Smells so good. Smells so good, guys. So good. Can't wait for it to be finished. So I'm gonna cover this. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes. No, not 5 minutes, 2 minutes. And then I'm going to add the shrimp. So be right back, guys. I'm just adding the shrimp, guys. It smells so good. So I'm going to just cover this, let it simmer for about 5 minutes. It smells so good. It smells so good. Now look at this presentation, guys. I can't wait to dig in the curry shrimp and the coconut salt. Look and taste amazing, guys. My shredded vegetable, to go ahead and make this off camera because everybody just make no shredded vegetable, right? And look at the rice, it turned out so shelly and nice. So I'm going to do a taste test for you guys. Start off with the rice. Good. What's on my baby? Taste the shrimp.